asked Ms. Gayatri Tirtapura to conduct a workshop for all our parents and teachers gathered here. Ms. Gayatri is very passionate about the education system in India. She started her career in the telecommunication software industry, where she spent 10 years building and managing products. She holds a Master of Science degree from Stanford University, USA, and a Master of Education degree from Harvard University, USA. Apart from working on parent music, she is a trustee at Vikasana, an alternative education school for underserved communities in Bangalore. She is also the co-founder of Tejaswita, an initiative that seeks to identify children with talent from underserved communities. For the workshop, we will now make small groups of people of 4.
The way we are going to go about this, have we done forming the groups? Have been randomly picked. There is no formula as such as to why those pieces are there. The activity is to actually build an imaginary animal which is as hairy as the mane of a lion and as cute as a baby. Sort of contradicting, but then if you can marry these two things, that would be great. And there are some other rules. Each group, all groups will be given about 20 to 25 minutes. The idea is to be able to use all the pieces. Try to use all the pieces, okay? And don't borrow or exchange pieces between groups. And try to have as much fun as possible. There is an observer just observing the dynamics of what is happening, but please don't get pressurized by that. I have actually introduced the observer just so that we can have a meaningful discussion afterwards and for nothing else, okay? Only observe, okay?
One.
Again, these two comes like a hand. Okay, this is the base.
Yeah, we'll add some more.
Something like a tusk or
You
something.
need to figure it out.
This one is kind of a
Like a wing or
curved.
something.
Yeah, that is right.
Something like that.
This one is giving to birth. No.
Not like that.
Something like that. 4 is like this. 4.
These are 4
No, that is a wing. Yeah? Okay. Tell me this kind of shape where we can. See? What should we put it in that video? But we not develop any. What will be the final
cross.
This side also.
Which are also 2 hands you keep for
Where is
hands.
the mane of a lion here? There is no mane.
Take this square as it is. We'll try to fix all this 4 with something.
This has to be used as a base like this. Can it? But maybe it's stuck on the second face.
Keep it like this. Yeah. It can stay.
Eyes,
But it should
fit
it.
eyes. Then
So when you
This here, this one. Try to shoot all. Time is 10 minutes. Doesn't matter.
that's very small, no? This is a smaller one.
I need one like this,
No.
similar to this.
Short.
Who will explain that? Somebody has to explain, then you will.
He drew, he'll explain.
But you don't have much time left. No, we'll talk about the main.
Any crown?
Main should be all these colorless. Okay.
Okay, this one's okay. Keep. This you keep it or this one. First fix this one.
Eyes, beta.
Only one is there, eyes give. Bear it in the tail somewhere can.
Or almost either completed or almost completed. Can you please choose a representative to talk about the animal that you have modeled? Just a few sentences, okay?
Hello. The model which we have prepared is like a hairy lion and a cute baby. Lion has 4 legs and cute baby also crawls on 4 legs. So model shows that. So you can observe the model. It has.
Here are the
many-
hairs.
2 years. That black hair.
These 2 are ears.
Ears, okay.
Mouth.
What about the hair?
Here is these extra things, whatever is
Okay.
shown. Those are hairs. This is a nose and this is a mouth.
And where is the cuteness?
Cuteness, if you it is cute. Actually observed, we can't show.
4 legs. 4 legs.
4 legs are there with colorful.
Nice pink.
Yes.
Pink shoes.
Okay, what else did you decide to incorporate in that, like, and why? What are the features?
Yeah, like a lion, there is a lengthy tail over there. You can see.
Okay. 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 Thank you very much.
Actually, it's a lion. It is a very modern lion. Okay, it's a male lion because always in animals kingdom, male it's more beautiful than female. Yes, it's a male. Let it be animals or birds. Let it be animals or birds. Male represent beauty and female is only tail.
Female represent
Female is
beauty.
what?
Female represent beauty.
Only because you take lion, you take yes, male lion it roars. It has got all hairy things. Even peacock. Only peacock is beautiful and peacock only dance and peahen will never dance. Okay, you take even this what is that we call nightingale. Only this male they sing, female only listen and answer. So it's a very cute.
All the things that you're saying don't apply to the human.
Yes, human we consider we are giving male we are very broad-minded. We give more importance to ladies. That's okay.
Anyway.
So it's a very cute lion. Which is very smiley also.
Where-
See, yeah.
Which is the hair in your...
Yes, these are all the hair.
That's the hair.
These are the hair. Tail. Okay, tail also. And it, sometimes it is very modern. It can fly also.
Okay.
It's having wings also. It can fly.
Thank you very
Okay,
much.
it will attract children. Okay.
And as soon as we have drawn a rough image like a robo. So when we saw a cute baby and a mane of a lion, and this and all, just you show it. And there should be a balancing also should be there. Importance should be given, and it should look cute also. It's not compulsory that all the things whatever you have provided we should fix here, there, and all.
Okay.
And here the hairs are like spikes. Spikes, modern
So
spikes.
you decided that if you used everything, the cuteness will be lost.
Yeah. And
Okay. Where's the hair?
these are all spikes like spikes.
Oh, that's the hair. Okay. And what are the features? Why is, does it have 4 legs or 2 hands and 2 legs?
2 legs and 2 hands.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Go to these 3 groups. The observers will give a bird's eye view of how the team, what they observed about the team dynamics and the originality of the thoughts. And please don't take anything personally. This is just for learning. our learning.
So this is literally a bird's eye view. But the group, I think, was very cohesive. That was one thing which was very noticeable. A lot of collaboration, right from the children to all of them were very participative. So that was what worked well for the group. What probably could be improved is they were doing things for the sake of doing it. They had a task to accomplish, but they did not probably think of what that end result is going to be. So it was more by putting pieces together and trying to accomplish the task as opposed to being creative and thinking.
Yeah.
What they wanted to accomplish. So that was probably a little bit of a gap. But otherwise, very cohesive, very participative group.
Okay, great.
They're the legs.
Okay, I think, I'm kind of looking at the questions, I kind of made notes, along the lines of the questions. So in this group, like Smita said, it was very cohesive, and they were all kind of working as a team. And there were no formal roles which were identified, but the roles emerged as they were working through it. And the roles were very dynamic. At some note, to start with, somebody picked up and started doing it, and then somebody else picked up and started doing it, somebody else picked up and started doing it. I felt that was good. It was not, the informality really helped rather than having somebody do this, somebody do this, somebody do this. And the other thing that I noticed was, they didn't have a specific discussion in terms of how it should look like and what it is. It went around as a kind of experimentation. So somebody had some idea, they implemented it, and that didn't work. Somebody else had came up with other idea, they implemented it. So that's how the whole group, went about doing it. And they probably were, again approaching it as a task-based thing that they have to complete before it completed. There wasn't any, it was more like a teamwork that people didn't feel that somebody, had a better idea or somebody didn't have a better idea kind of a thing. Everybody thought everybody's, there was a space for everybody to be involved. So I think that was the good part which I observed. I didn't observe so much of a fun, but it was more like a task to be completed within the given time.
Yeah, at one point of time, Kamal came and asked me a question whether he can use all the pieces, bend the rules and use the rest of the pieces to make a house for the animals. So.
Slightly limping.
Yeah, I broke several times in between.
This is version 8 or 9, I don't know.
Nice. Utpal was
No. So this was a sort of, they worked, looked like separate from each other, in smaller groups. But amazingly that they came together also from time to time and combined the things. As I was observing them, I thought that they will have nowhere close to what they finally got. Right? Only thing is that towards the end, it was very clear to an external observer that it was getting heavy on one side. And twice it toppled over for the same reason, right? And but they were so into it that they just couldn't get that thing and missed the, the building the final product. So sometimes it's important. I think they did a wonderful job.
Yeah.
Oh, one more thing. I noticed that almost everybody was focused on the lion. There was a lot of talk about the mane and so on and so forth. I think they gave up on the cuteness to the baby long time.
The requirement says that it's to be imaginative. So imaginary wise, we are achieved that, and it need to be cute. It have 4 legs with wings also, and as well as if you see, as well as tail also here.
So what is creativity? One-line definition of creativity, does anyone have? Basically, the dictionary definition is creating something new, like in terms of product or a process or a thought, anything that is new, that has not been done before. That is being creative. And why is creativity important in this world? I mean, definitely creative, all of you, I saw you having fun doing something new. It was an open-ended, sort of open-ended activity, so it was left to your imagination. So I saw all of you were having fun, so creativity definitely makes you happy. But why is it important for the future, nurturing creativity important for the future of our children? In fact, I would say it's more important to nurture creativity in our children than it was important when we were growing up. it was not as important. But why is it so important now?
Because it's competitive.
Competing.
Become competitive, so we need to have innovative thoughts. So creativity builds up innovative thoughts. Then only we will be able to survive in a competitive world.
Competitive world. Okay. Any other